Wearing a mask out in public has been an uncommon sight in Western countries, but with the COVID-19 outbreak declared a pandemic, such perceptions are largely changing in Europe. Choi Won-jong has the full story.
What are these endless lines of people waiting for? Face mask. After the coronavirus outbreak, people in South Korea are trying to get hold of masks. In South Korea, the government has come up with a new system to relieve the shortage, a so-called the 5-day rotation system, which limits how many masks individuals can purchase per week. Outside of Asia, Italy, the worst-hit country in Europe, has already overtaken China with the number of coronavirus deaths and is struggling with a mask shortage. Jang Hana, a Korean-Italian citizen who is currently living in Italy, speaks of how difficult it has been to find masks in local stores.
Here in Italy, the use of masks was not that common as in Asian countries. Italy was not ready to such high demand, and that's why the supply of masks in pharmacies and hospitals were not very prompt.
Do you see more people wearing masks in public now?
Yeah, just a few weeks ago, I think less than 50% of people in the streets were wearing masks. But in the last few days, when I went to go to the supermarket, I saw that almost 90% of people were wearing masks.
However, Italy is not the only country that is dealing with the mask crisis. Kim Ik-jae, a local resident in Germany, said the nation has a critical mask and medical shortage.
We never had a problem with the mask supply because there were no demands for them here. But these days, it's hard to buy them, as well as the hand sanitizers and thermometers.
German health officials told the general public that healthy people should not wear masks and leave them for sick people and medical professionals. Meanwhile, in the U.S., the government explicitly discourages individual mask hoarding. U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams said on his Twitter that people need to stop buying masks and leave them for healthcare providers to protect themselves from the coronavirus. Despite the government's effort to regulate mask shortage, the gap between demand and supply still remains, and a changed public notion on masks is leaving healthcare workers in jeopardy. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.